Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we discuss the use of command and how we find all the commands in PowerShell only. But first, open the PowerShell ISE. Here we have this interface. Now, first to execute a command, we use two commands in our PowerShell. Our maximum use of our command that we have four types. First, get minus get minus, and then start start minus, and set minus. After set we use new minus and remove minus. Okay, for get we use for to request any command. Okay, and start to start any command, or we can start anything, something inside our PC. For set, to set something like location. Normally we use maximum we use set in move, copy or move, change the drive, and then new used to create something and remove, to delete, delete something means any file, folder, anything, video, image, anything. So first start with get. Okay, so get minus, go for commands, get command that we have suggestion, get command, and tab for complete the command, and press enter. It is not enter, we go for this one at F5. Here we see all the command which we can use in our we see all this command which we use as a command in our PowerShell. Here we can see that write host. In previous video we discussed about write host for write any script. Then we in this we use git, not git, is get. We use get at get and help that, and here we wait, where is command there. Here we can see that get command. Now for one more thing, get help, type get help and then run. It's where get help. Here you can see the description and all the thing. Now for get help, then we want a specific command which we need to understand how to work with this command. For that, space git help, git dash help, then dash name, and a name is a parameter, and name space quotation, double quotation, start, and give the command name. Like we go for set item. Okay, here we have set item, and then tab and run. I run this particular command, so for that I use the second button. For that, run. Here we have that set item, and then how to use, like how to use means the syntax of this command. Here it describe all the syntax of this command, and here the some extra description. Now let's, if we like want only that start with set, write, or update, install, or test, anything that start a particular command, for that we use get command and minus name, and then give the first name of this command, like we you go for set only, and then close, then run the single command. Here we have set variable. If we want to know all this set command which start with set, for that we use set and then star, again run. Here all the set command is display in our window. That which start with set is all the commands which is display here. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.